have new friends supporting this our little effort. And we want to tell you about them. They are called bestoblingy.com. They are the place to visit for your Christmas shopping, you know. They have beautiful collections of rings, necklaces, earrings, and other awesome gifts for your Christmas list. Go there. They give you free shipping to anywhere in America, and a flat $15 shipping rate for anywhere in the world. You cannot beat that. Please check them out. Pick whatever you like. When you get to the checkout point, just use the promo code DR as in doctor, and you will see the price of all you selected go down by 70%. 70% for the entire items in the store. You can't beat that. So hurry. It won't last forever. It's for a short time. For me, I'm telling them to do that for you. Please, go. Thank me later. Not now. Thank me later. Go. Okay. Before you go, click subscribe if you have not. If you have, thank you very much. Thank you. Meanwhile, last week on this show, I told Aisha Buhari to get her husband, Muhammadu Buhari, to jail Bola Tinubu and other former governors. And see if we, the people, we consider giving them the right to control social media. That was what I said. Well, the day after, they did a test run. Watch.
The verdict is in, and former governor of Abia State, Orji Uzo Kalu, has been sentenced to 12 years in prison.
Wow! More than 12 years after, Orji Uzo Kalu, former governor of Abia State, is going to prison for 12 years.
Wow!
Yeah. But what did Orji do? That's the issue. What did Orji... Watch.
The government official in Government House in Abia State were withdrawing funds almost on daily basis from government account, and they withdrew over 7 billion naira cash and then converted those funds, cash, into a draft in the name of a bank. And this draft ended up into the account of Slok Nigeria Limited, a company solely held by the governor.
Over 7 billion naira of Abia State money stolen. We're not talking about billions of naira, today's naira. We're talking about naira of 1999 to 2007, or Obasanjo's naira, when naira was still naira. No wonder Aba is in a terrible shape. Look at Aba. No wonder. Now listen to how Channels TV reporter ended the story. Pay attention.
With a slight wave to anyone who cared, the defendant, now convicted, walks on to the prison section.
And with a slight wave to anyone who cares. Bad reporters giving it to Orji Uzo Kalu. Now, I was told that when prison wardens came to handcuff Orji Uzo Kalu, he begged them, he was crying, "Don't handcuff me in public. Don't handcuff me in public." Yeah. So there's something that makes these people feel ashamed. You know what I mean? If I were Tinubu or Akpabio now, I will start handcuffing myself at night just to get used to it. You know, we don't want more cry babies. You know, when they come for you, start crying. If you're a bad boy, you have to remember, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? You have to prepare, practice how to handcuff yourself. Do not embarrass us by crying like a baby. No. Meanwhile, one Nigerian man was not impressed about all these things. He was tired of everything in Nigeria. Here is what he said. Watch.
Excuse me, that should give me a chance. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as usual, my name is Comrade Mohammed Ali Ranger. Sir, I am using this very medium to suggest to Mr. President and Commander-in-Chief of the Nigerian Armed Forces, if it's possible, I want my share out of 2020 budget. I don't need roads. I have no motor. I have never driven a car. I was above 60 years old. I have never driven a car. I never own a car. I don't want a hospital. I don't want electricity.
Nice man. I don't blame you. Nigeria gets you tired. You want to get your own share and go away. Now, if you're from Kenya or you're from Nigeria, Uganda, Ghana, Tanzania, and you live in the UK, in the US, in Spain, in Italy, in Ireland, you can now send money home free, fast, secure, and easy with SendWave. It's very easy. All you have to do is to download the app. And for your first transaction, use the promo code DOCTOR, as in me. You get €5 or $5 or £5, wherever you are. And talk to your friends. It is free money. I'm telling you. You can send as little as $1 and still get the free money added to the amount that you sent. It is a win-win. You will give $5 or £5 or €5 to your loved ones and be supporting my hustle at the same time. And you don't have to use SendWave again, ever, if you don't like it. But I bet you will like it because it's convenient and reliable. And the money will get to your loved ones in 2 minutes. Come on. Do it. Hurry up. Thank you. And while you're at that, can you subscribe to Dr. Damage's show? Please. You guys did well last week, but I need more. Remember our target, 20,000 by December. Oh, we're in December. By the end of the year, help me. Thank you.